Perfect. Go ahead and tuck that into your shoulder card.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
With Doug.
So left hand is in. Put this in the neck roll. Use your left hand. Grab that.
Yeah, right.
So
Doug.
you can tuck this into your arm.
Look at this Doug. Right, it's just a Doug. Right, he's just a little Doug. Look at him. Doug.
When this goes in, put it in.
Look at this Taiwanese dog.
Cool. So now, right hand, reach over here, grab a charging handle, pull out to the rear and let go. Good. All right, so it's in your shoulder, lean forward for me. Good. Swing safety off. Good. So look through, can you see the dot?
Yeah.
All right, put the dot where you want the bolt to go, finger on the trigger.